Are you looking to break into a high-demand career that offers stability, strong earning potential, and room for growth? Have you ever thought about becoming a mortgage credit analyst? Mortgage credit analysts are the financial experts behind the scenes, helping people achieve the dream of home ownership by determining who qualifies for a mortgage loan or who doesn't. And the best part, this career path is accessible to anyone willing to learn the ropes, even if you have no prior experience in finance. In this course on how to become a mortgage credit analyst, the step-by-step career guide for beginners, I'm going to walk you through everything you need to start your career. You're going to learn what a mortgage credit analyst does and why their role is so essential to the entire process, and especially to the lender or the mortgage company. The complete mortgage application process from start to finish. How to review credit reports, financial documents, and assess risk. Key financial concepts like debt-to-income ratios and loan-to-value ratios. Federal regulations and compliance rules that you must know. Plus, practical job search tips to help you land your very first role. Now let's talk about the potential earning power. Entry-level mortgage credit analysts typically start at around $45,000 per year. With experience, you can actually climb up to $85,000 per year or more with senior roles, which is really exciting for a career that has a solid financial future and is in a growing industry, which is extremely important as well. By taking this course, you'll be equipped with in-demand skills, including financial analysis, risk assessment, and compliance knowledge that will prepare you for the mortgage credit analyst job market. And the best part, you can study at your own pace, anytime, anywhere. Plus, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can get started risk-free and see if this is the career path for you or not, which is perfectly fine. So what are you waiting for? If you're ready to start a rewarding career with great pay and job security, now is the perfect time. Enroll today and take the first step toward becoming a mortgage credit analyst. Click on the link below to get started. I'll see you inside this course.